How to buy USDT with Telegram Wallet. The Telegram Wallet allows users to manage and trade cryptocurrencies directly within the Telegram app. So here's a quick guide to buy USDT using this feature. First, launch the Telegram application on your smartphone or computer. Second, go to Telegram Wallet. In the Telegram search bar, type @wallet and select the official wallet bot. Once you are in the wallet interface, either the bot chat or the dedicated wallet section, look for an option like Buy Crypto, Deposit, or directly Buy USDT. Select USDT Tether from the list of available cryptocurrencies you wish to purchase. The wallet will then present you with various payment options available in your region. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy or the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. Review the details including any fees and the exchange rate. And lastly, confirm your purchase. Just follow the instructions specific to your chosen payment method to finalize the transaction.